We were craving a mid-afternoon snack, and we're lucky to find this cozy restaurant located just around the corner of Mayon Street and Bonifacio Avenue. It features welcoming marble comic superhero characters in life-size statues, walls designed with marble comic pages, and colorful marble character artwork. Hello fellow food trippers, please join us at CHIKTEN Wings, located at 228 A Bonifacio Avenue, Loma, Quezon City. CHIKTEN Wings offers an eat-all-you-can chicken wings in 12 mouth-watering flavors, plain rice and drinks at only 299 pesos net per person, with the option of adding 20 pesos for unlimited servings of french fries and cheesy sticks with dipping sauce for a reasonable total price of 319 pesos net per person, with 2 hours dining time and no leftover policy. Ordering is easy and service is fast and friendly. The first 6 flavors we tried are pineapple, salted egg, sisig, Cheezy-Yeezy, honey Sriracha, and Honey-Glazed. For the second batch, we have the Smokey BBQ, garlic Parmesan, spicy Mayo, buffalo, honey Jinjaa, and Honey Chicuu. We also indulge in 3 kinds of drinks of lemonade, Gulaman, and red iced tea throughout our meal. The chicken wings are freshly cooked, juicy and tender, with delicious homemade sauces in mouth-watering flavors, making us crave more. CHIKTEN Wings also has a special takeout menu for your family dinner or gathering. It allows customers to choose from the smallest serving at 189 pesos for half a dozen to a large bilao of 72 pieces at only 1,649 pesos depending on your budget and needs. Customers can order a la carte online for pick-up or delivery and can be delivered straight to your doorstep via Lalamove. The restaurant has straight operations from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. and has a parking area right outside the restaurant. CHIKTEN Wings Marble-themed restaurant is an awesome place to dine and the best party place for any celebration with kids and kids at heart. So come, gather your family and friends to savor the finger-licking goodness of CHIKTEN Wings, where we can say, sarap to the bones and sulit to the pockets. We'll see you on our next food trip at M. Hanoi Vietnamese Restaurant, located at Macapagal Boulevard, Pasay City. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching!